Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I wanted to shoot something a little bit different this time. It's a Diwali Get Ready With Me makeup tutorial. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I would really appreciate it. Check out our other dance videos as well, and let's get started. My skin is already prepped and I'm just spraying a little bit of rose water just to hydrate and then going straight into my brows. I'm using Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the number 4. Once I'm happy with my brows, I'm going to go ahead and set them with a translucent setting powder. This one's by Laura Mercier. Now I'm going to lay down my eyeshadow base with NARS Ginger in medium 2, and I like applying this with my finger. Quickly cleaning my brush with a quick clean dry brush spray. I love this stuff. And now I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my Modern Renaissance palette by ABH. For my crease, I'm mixing in raw sienna and golden ochre, and I'm just gonna continue working that into the crease until I'm happy. Then for the brow bone, I'm going to use Tempera, the lightest shade. That brow color is mostly going in the inner corner and the tail of the brow. And now I get to start building with red ochre, and I'm just gonna sweep that over the entire crease and sweep it out a little bit into the eyebrow area as well, past the eyebrow to enhance the wing area. And now adding the darkest shade, Cypress Umber, which is a brown, for the outer V. Now I'm switching up palettes, still an ABH palette, one of my favorites, and I go to this palette consistently for that black color. It's so nice and rich. I love using it for building up that lash line, which is what I'm doing here, and then I'm just going to blend out the black into the brown. Now I'm taking my black NYX eyeliner and lining my top waterline. And now I'm going to just finish off my brows with my ABH Brow Gel in the color medium brown. Going back to my eyeshadow palette, I'm going to go into the gorgeous gold color. It's called Primavera and I love this shade. I'm patting it on with my finger and then just smoothing out the edges with a small brush. For eyeliner, I'm using NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I'm going to start at the center and then slowly move inwards towards the inner corner of my eye. And then go back to the center and work outwards and then slowly create a very small wing. And now just to layer on top of the gold eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with Stila in the color Smoldering Satin. I'm going to apply it with a brush so I can maintain that shape. I'm also going to keep building that glitter on until I'm happy with the way it looks. My Urban Decay Glide On eye pencils came in a pack of 5, and I'm going to pick Space Dust, which is a really pretty gold. It's just going to give an added pop between the glitter and the eyeliner. And now I'm finally moving on to the face. I'm using Porefessional by Benefit to specific areas to minimize the appearance of pores. For my foundation, I'm mixing 2 of my favorites because I just can't decide. One of them is Becca in the color Buttercup, and the other is Giorgio Armani in Luminous Silk in the color 6. And just for fun, I'm going to add in a drop of Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. I'm going to mix all of that on the back of my hand and then apply it area by area to my face with a makeup sponge. The makeup sponge I'm using is by Real Techniques. So I have 2 favorites in the concealer as well, so I'm just going to go ahead and use them both. Firstly, I'm applying Tarte in light medium, and the second concealer is Maybelline in medium 25. I really like spraying my makeup sponge with rose water as well. I feel like it really helps spreading out the concealer. And now to set it, I'm using Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm just going in lightly with a sponge. For cream contour, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toast. To set the nose contour, I'm going to use Warm Taupe from my ABH palette. And then to set the rest of the contour on my face, I'm going to use the bronzer called Brontour by Morphe. And now adding a little more translucent powder to areas that don't have any powder or bronzer on them already. Moving back to the eyes, I'm going to go into my bottom waterline with NYX Wonder. It's a nude colored pencil in medium. And then setting that with the Warm Taupe color that I used on the nose contour. My last eyeshadow step is with Antique Bronze. It's my favorite color in this entire ABH palette. For blush, I'm using my MAC powder blush in the color Frost. And now off camera, I did change into my outfit, plus I added my mascara and lashes on. The lashes I'm wearing are by Kiss. The jewelry I'm wearing is by Sajik Art. It's a gorgeous Kundan set and I love how it looks with my outfit. After setting my face with a little MAC Fix Plus, I'm going to go in with my Powder Glow. This one's by Laura Mercier in Powder Glow. And finally for lips, this is my favorite combo right now. It's the Urban Decay lip liner in Naked 2 and the Urban Decay lipstick in Stark Naked. This is my favorite nude right now, but just to add a little more color because of all the colors I'm wearing, I'm going to add Dusty Rose by ABH liquid lipstick over the top. And that is my final Diwali Get Ready With Me look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I love how this came out. This is literally my go-to look for every occasion right now and I love it. Please leave a comment below and if you're not already, please subscribe. Also, don't forget to enter our giveaway. Details will be on my Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!